Hello. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen all those sparkling lights? Those are stars. And guess what? They're not all the same. Today we're going on a starry adventure to learn about how stars can be different. Our sun is a star and it's super important to us. The sun gives us light and warmth. But did you know that the sun is just one of billions and billions of stars in the universe? Now, let's talk about size. Stars come in very different sizes. Some stars are much, much smaller than our own sun. Imagine a tiny marble next to a basketball. These are often called dwarf stars. Then, there are stars that are similar in size to our sun, like a soccer ball compared to a basketball. But guess what? There are also stars that are huge, way bigger than our sun. Imagine a giant beach ball or even bigger, like a whole house compared to that basketball. These are called giant or supergiant stars. So just like people, stars can be small, medium, and super duper big. Next up is brightness. Some stars look really bright in the night sky, while others are pretty faint. There are two main reasons for this. First, imagine someone holding a light bulb. If they're standing right next to you, that light would look super bright. But if they walk far, far away, the same bulb would look much dimmer. So how close a star is to Earth can change how bright it looks to us. Second, some stars are just naturally brighter than others, like having a super strong light bulb versus a weak one. A really big, powerful star might shine much brighter than a smaller, less powerful one, even if they were the same distance away. Now, here's a super interesting part. We know that some stars can be big, some even bigger than our sun. So why do they all look like tiny little pinpricks of light in the sky? All except our sun, of course. Our sun looks like a big circle because it's the closest star to Earth. It's like our neighborhood star. All the other stars are so incredibly far away. Imagine you're standing at one end of a giant field and your friend is holding up a giant beach ball at the very other end. Even though it's a big beach ball, it would look like a tiny dot from that far away. That's what's happening with the stars. They are trillions and trillions of miles away. That's a number so big it's even hard to imagine. But because they're so far, the light they send us gets spread out, and they look just like tiny points of light to our eyes. So what did we learn about our starry adventure today? Stars come in different sizes. Some are small, some are ginormous like giant beach balls. Stars can look brighter or dimmer depending on how powerful they are and how far away they are from Earth. All the stars except our own sun are incredibly far away. Next time you look up at the stars, remember that each little twinkle is a giant ball of plasma, maybe even bigger and brighter than our own sun. They're just incredibly, amazingly far away. Thank you for watching.